Ucode.ai is a full-stack code automation platform. Today, I will provide a brief demonstration of the platform, showcasing how we can generate full-stack project code and create an MVP within Limited. Let's log in by entering your email and password, then access the project console. After logging in, navigate to the project section and click the Add New button to create a new project. Today, we'll create a car maintenance web application to track car maintenance information. Name the project Car Maintenance and select MongoDB, Node.js, and Vue for the database, backend, and frontend. Enter the details and press Save to create the project. The project will be created with a default table named Users, which stores the login information. Let's create the other tables, for example, Car Info, Car Maker, and Maintenance Log. Create a new table named CarMaker and add the necessary fields for this table. It will store the CarMaker information like Toyota, Mazda, etc. Necessary fields for the CarMaker table. We'll start with maker name, which will be a text field with a unique value. No more field for the table to make the presentation simpler. Create a new table named Car Info and add the necessary fields for this table. We will also add a field named CarMaker. This field will be a drop-down with its values coming from another table named CarMaker. Let's add the necessary fields for the Car Info table. We'll start with registration number, which will be a text field with a unique value. Add a field named Photo to store the car's photo. Choose the File Picker option and select Image Only for this field. Add a field named Owner Name to store the car owner's name. Choose the text field. Add a field named Owner Email to store the car owner's email. Choose the text field and from the value type select Email. Add a field named Owner Mobile Number to store the car owner's mobile number. Choose text field and from the value type select Mobile. That's all the fields required for this presentation. Note that some default fields, such as created by and created at, are already created to save audit information like data saved time and user. Add the final table named Maintenance Log. This table will store all maintenance and service information. Add a field named Car and choose Drop-down with Autocomplete for the control type. For the data source, choose the table Car Info. Map the field for the label and value from the Car Info table. Add a field named Service Type and select Drop-down Single as the control type. We will manually key in values for service type, such as engine oil change, gear oil change, air filter change, oil filter change, etc. Add a field named Current Mileage to store the current mileage as per the odometer. This will be a text field with numeric integer values. Add another field named Next Service Mileage to store the next service mileage as per the odometer. This will be also a text field with numeric integer values. Let's wrap up the data model. Now, we will generate the full stack code for this project. Go to the project details page and click the Generate Code button. It will take few minutes to generate the code. Once it's done, the system will send an email with a link to download the entire project. Let's download the project and unzip it. Let's open the REST API code in our code editor, VS Code. Add the web app folder to our workspace in VS Code. Open the terminal for the REST API project and execute the command npm install to install all the packages. Run node-mon to start the REST API application. From the codebase, search for the REST client folder and open the user's HTTP file. This HTTP file was also created by the platform. We will create the first user so we can use this login information to access our web app. From the terminal, navigate to the web app directory and execute the command npm install to install all the packages. Run npm run dev to start the web app application. Open your browser and enter http://localhost port 5173 in the address bar. It will open the web application. Go to the login page and enter the login information we created earlier. Email test@ucode.ai and password 123456. Go to CarMaker and add 2 to 3 car makers, such as Toyota, Mazda, and Honda. Now, go to Car Info and add 2 to 3 car entries. Input the car registration number and owner information for each. We will also add photos for each car entry. Next, go to the car maintenance section and add maintenance information. From the drop-down section, enter the car registration number, select the car, input the other relevant information, and save the data. The code generated by ucode.ai is highly professional and structured. It includes test automation files and a Swagger file, making it easy to manage and edit for future enhancements. If we spend 2 to 3 hours of focused effort, our full-scale car maintenance application can be developed with minimal effort and time. We believe ucode.ai will be a game changer in the software development industry. We will include support for all popular frameworks and languages in the coming days. Thank you very much, and happy coding with ucode.ai.